Finding outputs of a one-step function that models a real-world situation. Function notation. Brian tutors English. For each hour that he tutors, he earns $50. His earnings, E, in dollars, after tutoring for H hours is given by the following function. So this E stands for the earnings. So his earnings after tutoring for a certain number of hours are equal to 50, right? That's his hourly rate, $50 times the number of hours. How much does Brian earn if he tutors for 4 hours? Now the 4 is the hours, okay? And what I want to know is what are his earnings if H, the number of hours, is 4. In function notation, we say E evaluated at 4. But it just means I'm going to take out the H and substitute in 4. If I do that here, I also have to do it there. So 50 times 4 is 200. So his earnings after 4 hours is equal to $200.